Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Harold, HB274TV, back at you with another video. This time I'm taking out tweeters, putting new tweeters in. Look at this. This came out of the corner dash in the front. Yeah, right there. It's hard, but I got the tools for it, and we're gonna install some kicker tweeters. So I got the tweeter out. Now I just got to do the wiring and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna put the camera down because I'm gonna need both hands. I'm gonna try to do this and show you guys at the same time, but we'll see. It's getting dark, so I might not finish tonight. Might have to finish in the morning. Well, today ending in the morning, so we'll find out. Give me just a sec. Man, these wires are so small, but I got them crimped on here, and I don't have a template. I don't have a template for the tweeter, so I'm just, I don't know, I might make it poke out, make it stick out on the grill. So let me think about it and get back at you. Alright guys, I'm done, and I know I'm in your face, but I'm inside the car, and I just want to give you a little demonstration. But first, let me show you. There's the tweeter, and there's the other tweeter. Sitting pretty much flush as I can get it. You know, it is what it is. So let's just do a quick inside demonstration. So I'm gonna turn the radio on. We're gonna see. Got a little rattle in the trunk. I'm gonna fix that. All right guys, so that's gonna be it for the day. And yeah, I'm trying to get this out y'all face, but wasn't that hard. It really wasn't that hard. The only thing that was hard was getting, you know, cutting the hose out. And I had to melt the hose with my solder iron because I don't have any other tool to make a hole. So I kind of tinker with it and see how I could fit it. And I pushed the tweeters in at a certain point to where it will cover up the hole and all that. So just a bunch of crimping, you know, just wire stripping, crimping, plug and play. That's really it. It was really simple. So it gives a better sound, and I think that's it. I'm not doing nothing else. All I need to do is put some sound deadener on the behind the license plate, which is dirt cheap. You don't have to buy the expensive stuff. You can go to Home Depot or Lowe's and get the weather stuff. I have to show you guys. I did it. I've done it already in the Ultima. You guys seen the video. So just a quick little square, and that'll be it, man. I'll be done. So like, comment, and subscribe. All the speakers on the inside are kicker, except for the sub. The sub is a Toby subwoofer. Thanks to my boy Ed Sample, who told me all about Toby. I'm not looking back at no other subwoofer. Sorry, I'm just not. Plus, the amp for it is a Rockford Fosgate amp. It's a Prime, I think, 500. And that was recommended at the time for that sub itself. And then the other amp for the highs and mids is a kicker amp. So everything is kicker. I like kicker, and I love Toby. So all this was a simple, everything was a pretty much simple build. I could, you know, do the amp rack better, which I may do in the future. I don't know, but it is what it is, guys. You know, it took maybe a month and a half or whatever to do all this. It's because I'm busy. You know, I got a job, I got a life. You know, things happen. So when I finally got it done, I got it done. So like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. Like the videos. Even if you don't like the videos, just watch. You don't even have to watch it. When you get ready to go to bed, open up your YouTube, put your phone on your charger, push play. There you go. All the videos will play. Help a brother out so I can start doing more stuff for you guys. All right, appreciate it.
I'm above the rim, ain't worried about them. My shorty exotic, and plus she all in. She told me I got it, so I double the profit. But caught me a Mozzie, then I squat off the lot. And it ain't gon' stop, still rolling at 5. Spent plenty of nights with tears in my eyes, don't kill my vibe, yeah. I heard little shorty been